Next item is first class brickwork in foundation and paint. So just like the previous items, we will calculate it separately for the rooms and the veranda. For rooms, we will calculate separately for long wall and short wall. For veranda also, we will calculate separately for long wall and short wall. So first of all, let us come to the rooms and long wall. Okay. So let us go to the drawing. Again, center to center length of the long wall is known, 8 meter, and this is the cross section. This is the cross section. So these are the brickwork in foundation and plinth. This is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the plinth wall. First step, second step, and plinth wall. So we'll calculate the amount of brickwork in the first step, we'll calculate the amount of brickwork in second step, and we'll calculate the brickwork in this plinth wall. Okay. So first of all, we'll deal with the rooms, then long wall. First step. So what is the length? How can we find out the length of the first step? So to find out the length of any item, for long wall is center to center length plus 1 breadth. We have already mentioned this formula previously. Center to center length plus 1 breadth. So what is the breadth of the first step? Let us go to the drawing and see. This is the first step. And what is the breadth of the first step? It is 1.1 meter. So here we are dealing with the first step. So length is center to center length is 8 meter already calculated, plus 1 breadth. Breadth is 1.1 meter as I have shown you in the drawing. So 8 plus 1.1 is equal to 9.1 meter is the length of the first step of long wall. Okay. Long wall, number of long wall is 2. So number is 2. Length is 9.1 as we have already calculated. Breadth I have already told you, 1.1. And what is the height of the first step? Let us go to the drawing and find out. This is the first step. And what is the height of the first step? 0.25. So under the height column we will write 0.25. So number into length into breadth into height is equal to quantity. Now let us go to the second step. Again, length of the second step for long wall will be found out by center to center length plus 1 breadth. Now let us take a look at the drawing and find out what is the breadth of the second step. This is the second step, and what is the breadth of the second step? It is 0.7 meter. So center to center length of long wall is already found out to be 8 meter. Center to center length plus 1 breadth. Breadth is 0.7. So 8 plus 0.7, 8.7 is the length. So for second step the length is 8.7 meter, breadth is 0.7, and height, let us go to the drawing to find out the height of the second step. This is the height of the second step. What is this? This is 0.25. This is the height. It is 0.25. So height again we will write as 0.25. So number into length into breadth into height is quantity. Now let us move to the third step or plinth wall. Okay. So again center to center length plus 1 breadth. So what is the breadth of the plinth wall? This is the breadth of the plinth wall and it is given as 0.5. So center to center length of the long wall is given as 8 meter. So center to center length plus 1 breadth is 8.5. So under the length column we will write 8.5. Breadth is 0.5 and height. So what is the height of the plinth wall? Let us see in the drawing. Height of the plinth wall, up to the ground level it is 0.1 and above the ground level it is 0.3. Here can you see it? Up to the ground level it is 0.1 and above the ground level it is 0.3. So 0.1 plus 0.3, 0.1 plus 0.3 is 0.4. So height of the plinth wall is 0.4. So again number into length into breadth into height is your quantity. So in this way we will find out for the short wall also. So again for the short wall, number of short wall is 3, as if you go to the drawing, number of short wall for the rooms is 1, 2 and 3. So what is the length of the short wall? For first step The formula to find out the length of short wall, center to center length minus 1 breadth. So what is the center to center length of the short wall for the rooms? It is 4.25. And what is the breadth of the first step? Is 1.1. So center to center length minus 1 breadth. This is the formula to find out the length of short wall. So center to center length is 4.25 and 1 breadth. Breadth is for the first step is 1.1. So 4.25 minus 1.1 is 3.515 meter. So under the length column we will write 3.1 per meter. Breadth is again 1.1 and height is 0.25, just like this. So number into length into breadth into height is 2.59 meter cube. This is the quantity. So for the second step, again number of short wall is 3. Length, we need to find the center to center length minus 1 breadth. So what is the breadth of the second step? This is the second step. The breadth of the second step is 0.7 and the center to center length of the short wall is 4.25. So 4.25 minus 0.7 is 3.55. So under the length column we will write 3.55. Breadth is again 0.7. Height is, for the second step, height is 0.25. So under height column we will write 0.25. So number into length into breadth into height is quantity. Then comes the plinth wall. What is the length of the plinth wall? Center to center length minus 1 breadth. What is the breadth of the plinth wall? This is the breadth of the plinth wall. It is 0.5. Center to center length of the short wall is 4.25. So 4.25 minus 0.5, that is center to center length minus 1 breadth, is equal to 3.75. So under the length column we will write 3.75. 0.5 is already I have mentioned is the breadth, and height, what is the height? Height is 0.1 plus 0.3. From here, the plinth wall starts from here to here. So this is 0.1, this is 0.3. So total height is 0.4. So under the height column we will write 0.4. So number into length into breadth into height is equal to the quantity. So just like that we will do it for the veranda also. So in veranda, long wall, first step. Okay, so let us go to the drawing. And how many long walls are there in the veranda? There is only one long wall in the veranda and 2 short walls. So only one long wall is there. So for the first step we will write only one long wall is there. What is the length of long wall? Again center to center length plus 1 breadth. We are doing it for the first step. So what is the center to center length of long wall of veranda? Center to center length of long wall is 8 meter. So again we are doing it for the first step. So center to center length plus 1 breadth. What is the breadth of the first step? Breadth of the first step is 1.1. Center to center length is 8. So 8 plus 1.1 is 9.1. So under the length column we will write 9.1. Breadth is 1.1. Height is, as I have already shown, is 0.25. So height is 0.25. Number into length into breadth into height is your quantity. Okay. So just like that, second step. So this is first step. No? This is for the first step and is for the second step, and this is for the third step. Okay. For the second step, again number of long wall, we are doing it for the long wall, second step. So number of long wall is 1. How we will find out the length of the second step? Center to center length plus 1 breadth of the second step. So let us go to the drawing. What is the breadth of the second step? 0.7. What is the center to center length of long wall? 8. So 8 plus 0.7, 8.7. So under the length we will write 8.7. What is the breadth? 0.7. 0.7 is the breadth. 0.7. What is the height of the second step? This is the second step. What is the height? It is 0.25. So height is 0.25. Again number into length into breadth into height is your quantity. Then let us move to the plinth wall. So we are doing it for the long wall. So what is the number of long wall for veranda? Number is 1. Only one long wall is there for the veranda. So how will we find out the length of the plinth wall? For a long wall, center to center length plus 1 breadth. This breadth is for plinth wall. So what is the breadth of the plinth wall? Breadth of the plinth wall is 0.5. Center to center length of long wall is 8. So center to center length plus 1 breadth, 8 plus 0.5, 8.5. So under the length column we will write 8.5. Breadth is 0.5. Height of the plinth wall. What is the height of the plinth wall? 0.1 plus 0.3. So height is 0.4. Again, number into length into breadth into height is your quantity. Just like that we do it for the short wall. First step. First of all, how many short walls are there in the veranda? 1 and 2. There are 2 short walls. So number will be 2. How shall we find out the length of the short wall? How shall we find out the length of the short wall? Center to center length minus 1 breadth. Breadth of what? Breadth of the first step. So what is the breadth of the first step? 1.1. What is the center to center length of short wall? 2.75. So how to find out the length of short wall? How to find out the length of short wall for the first step? Center to center length of the short wall minus breadth of the first step. Center to center length of the short wall is 2.75. Breadth of the first step is 1.1 is equal to 1.65 is the length. So under the length column we will write 1.65. 1.1 is the breadth of the first step and 0.25 is the height of the first step. Now let us go to the second step. Number of short wall is again 2. What is the length of short wall for the second step? Center to center length of short wall minus breadth of the second step. Let us go to the drawing. Breadth of the second step is 0.7. Center to center length of short wall for veranda is 2.75. So 2.75 minus 0.7. 2.75 minus 0.7 is 2.05. So under the length column we will write 2.05. Breadth is 0.7. Height is 0.25. So number into length into breadth into height is quantity. So what is the next is plinth wall. So number of short wall is 2. Plinth wall for short wall. Number of plinth wall is number of short wall for veranda is 2. What is the length of plinth wall for short wall for veranda? Center to center length minus breadth of the plinth wall. Center to center length of the short wall is 2.75. Breadth of the plinth wall is 0.5. So 2.75 minus 0.5. So 2.75 minus 0.5 is 2.25. So the length is 2.25. So under the length column we will write 2.25. Breadth is, as we all know, 0.5. And the height of the plinth wall is, this is the plinth wall. Height of the plinth wall is 0.1 plus 0.3 is 0.4. So height of the plinth wall is 0.4. So number into length into breadth into height is the quantity. So that's all for serial number 3. So under the serial number 3 we will add all the quantities and find out the total. So under each and every item we need to find out the total quantity. And the unit of measurement will be meter cube, because this is for brickwork in foundation or substructure.